Sup dudes, my name is Buberino and welcome to another RainGG video. This time we have 500 since we had profit the last two times that we played at RainGG. So we're gonna go try to grab. Oh, so close! Oh my god! I earned just like... Holy freaking shit. Okay, so we start with not with 500 but with 632 just because of this. Whoa, okay. How much it was this percentage? Jesus, it was 3%, perfect. So before I start, don't forget, use the link on the description or in the comment section to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases. So we can go a little bit nuts since we dropped that skin on the beginning, you know. We're gonna go to Skeleton's Case. Spooky, scary skeletons that will bring us profit 320 to begin the video with. Let's freaking go. And we just did a freaking double it, and from what? From a 320 we just earned 1 freaking K. Bros, we started with 500 and in 2 minutes we have 1.3k. Holy shit. Bro, no freaking way. So you know we can do another big battle? Holy shit. Okay, so I can go like this one. I was really not expecting that. Whoa, okay. We can go make a 1k battle. I mean, it's the biggest battle that I ever done here on RainGG. So if it doesn't deserve a comment, I don't know what it does. Let's freaking go. Also, don't forget, if you want to play and have fun like me, link on the description and you are free to have a little bit fun. So we are all equals on this one. They just dropped more, so we need to drop something. Double it, stop! Let's freaking go. Okay, double freaking it. Okay, they were so close. And grass greener, please. Perfect, okay. Another profit. 900 and we earned 1.3 freaking K. Bros, in 3 minutes we earned 1.2k. Damn. This is so much profit. So we gonna go do a little bit. Vitality ascending, no, the price is ascending. So we just gonna do like a freaking 1k bet. Let's freaking go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. No, they just drop a freaking special. They're gonna earn so much. Holy shit. Okay, it's the worst drop. Okay, 300. Alright. We can come back. Double. Okay, that's a double. Oh, not for me, but for them too. Okay, we dropped the same thing, 300 maybe, 352. No freaking way. Freaking double drop. How much? Like 600 maybe? 750. Jesus. We need so money to come back, so much money. 4 cases to know if we lost money or not. Jesus. He drops so freaking much. Okay, that's a double? Not a double. 2 more cases. We have to drop like more than 1k to do something. It is possible on the last case, yeah. If we drop it like a Dragon Lord. On Itachi. Okay, we lost. We have 600. The bot just turned 2 freaking k! Damn! So we're gonna go to a $600. I'm gonna try like to do $600 case, you know. 500, no, 600. Maybe it's the end of the video, maybe it's not, but we earned so much we could withdraw, but where is the fun if we don't play and create nice videos for you guys, you know? Let me just check the odds. Still nice odds, not bad. So let's freaking go. 3, 2, 1, call the bots. Yeah, freaking bot, bro. Look at these. How much it's gonna pay? $3.3k. The bot just turned 2.6k. Damn, I'm gonna go to the vault. We're gonna withdraw everything. And we're gonna spend the last 200s. I'm gonna go again to verse 2, Vitality, Descending. And we're just gonna do like $200s. Where is the hundreds? 190. Now this is the last case of the video. Thank you guys for watching, thank you again for being here, and don't forget you have a link on the description to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases if you have fun. If you want to have fun. So let's freaking go. 190. Okay, we still lost money, so we're gonna go to upgraders. We're gonna use the coins and we're gonna go to 2x. Okay, we won the 2x. Is that the comeback, bro? Is that the comeback? Oh, it's the same money. What I was doing? Okay, my bad. Gonna go to upgraders once again. Coins. We're gonna go to 1.5 this time. And we have profit once again. This video is crazy. So we're gonna go to battles. To verse 2 once again. We're gonna go Vitality Ascending. And we're gonna go to the ooh, this was so close. Okay, the creator case. Let's freaking go. 454 just to end the video. And let's freaking drop something. Okay. I was thinking it was like a real comeback, but no, we didn't. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for being here. And I'll see you again on the next video. Cheers.